Here we go with daily drawing 44, and it's not as bad as you think. I'm going to use symmetry again around the middle, and I'm going to make a couple rectangles. This one's 0.5 times 3, so that's how I'm going to start. 0.5 times 3 rectangle around the middle. Three, and I'm gonna dimension, and again that one's 0.5, 0.5, and it's awfully small, so this is where it really helps to have a mouse because you can just roll the wheel. Okay, super easy. And then I'm going to make that other, actually, I'm not going to make the other rectangle. I'm going to extrude the outside rectangle first. So I'm just going to put some circles here. I'm going to center them there, but then dimension them to the end. The radius is 0.25, so the 5, whoops, did I screw that up? Oh yeah, I did. The radius was not 0.25. I mean, it's 0.25 is the not the radius, it's the diameter, so 0.25 is what I type in. Ah, beautiful. And I could do this by symmetry too, but it's pretty, I think it might be easier to do it this way. So I could make one, and I could center pattern it around there. And it is 0.25 from each end. There we go, the center of it. So I'm going to dimension them to snap them into place. There we go. I'm going to finish that sketch, and I'm going to extrude, and that's the back piece is extruded 0.25. 0.25. And it looks like this. Okay, so now I want to and the radius on the fillet is also 0.25. A lot of 0.25s here. So that one. Oops, gotta move this. That one. And 0.25. There we go. Now I'm just going to create a sketch on the front face here. Come on, dude. And then extrude the inner piece. And that is, oh, I have to do some math here. Depending on how we do it. So it looks like it is, well, it's 0.25 thick. Let's look at it. Because I just want to like throw this right in here. And trying to figure out where the ends are. Boy, they don't make it easy for you with this one. I think I'm going to throw the circles and make tangent lines just because of the measurements, and I don't want to do some math. So the circles on this one are the same. They're 0.25, so I'm going to draw these two more circles. 0.25. And this circle, oops. And this circle 6.25, and then I'm going to see if I can dimension them. So the one circle is 0.625 from the end, so we'll see how this goes. Dimension. Okay, that didn't work because I wanted it dimensioned from this point, and it dimensioned it from that other circle. So, I'm trying to figure out how to dimension. Yeah, I want. Okay, from the other circle, it's 0.375, so let's try that. Dimension. Oh, let's try again. This is the dimension we want. There, 0.375. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing here. One there. 0.375. Okay, now we're just going to throw in 2 lines and make them tangent. So a line there, and there, and there, and there. And then we are going to make these lines tangent to the circle. Beautiful. So that they hit right at the right place. And then there we go. And then we're just going to extrude that 0.25. And we have to extrude all of those 0.25. And there we have it. That one took me a little longer. I was trying to figure out how to do it. There are different ways of doing it. Make sure you save it.